man. Ant girl.
Ilagay mo lang sa mga bakto.
No?
Yung bulbawang ang tupa.
Ito yes, oh, delikado dyan. Alam ko. I feel like it's still water.
Okay, let's start the vlog. Sige
Hello
na.
guys, we are at the... Maliligo ka na?
Yeah.
We are at
The abyss.
Abyss
Water.
The water is very cold because it came from, I don't know, it came from nature.
From the ocean.
It came from the ocean. What? You're fake. Is this salt water?
Holy monkey! Ang lamig, ang iba, ang...
Hindi may... Medyo malalim dito.
Tito Art!
Yep.
Tumampisaw ka na!
Later. I'll take videos first.
Hindi, dito tayo. Hindi may ilalim dito pa.
I don't want to swim because
May karton naman tayo, ikakarton na lang natin yung mga...
Ay, putik. Lamok yan. Lamok.
Yung buo mo na karton yun, oh.
tanggalin mo lang.
Ow! Ow, monkey! Oh, eh. Ow, monkey!
Gusto ko, pag lumangoy ako, yung dito lang ako magkikiligo.
It's so cold, monkey! Ang lamig.
Ardiyan ka nga, kapok ka Ardi.